tricks of the trade. One day, while making pizza for his friends, he accidentally added too much garlic. Everyone started coughing, but then admitted it was the tastiest pizza they had ever eaten. That's when Max realized that his unconventional approach could be his signature. Later, Max gathered all his savings and opened a small pizzeria. At first, there were few customers, but thanks to his originality and delicious garlic pizza, he quickly gained popularity. His pizzeria became a meeting place for friends, where they could not only enjoy delicious food, but also feel the atmosphere of creativity and unconventional thinking. Moral of the story: don't be afraid to dream, and don't pay attention to skeptics. Each of us has unique talents that can lead us to success. The main thing is to believe in yourself and not be afraid to experiment.